After which, we'll ask Carlo to read the closing prayer.
304.
304. Te, bigyan mo sa kanila, te.
304.
May trabaho pa silang work pag labas.
Huwag na sa eskwelahan.
What do you do in school? Are you painting the school? Are you still painting the school? What do you
Teaching also. Art drawing.
They're good in painting. You're out there.
Adobe Photoshop, right? You teach. They do. 304, okay. Teach me to walk in the light of His love. Sing.
Teach me to